Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I received Paint Polish's MILKTEA Collection for the month of April to Swatch. And here they are. To all MILKTEA lovers out there, I think you'll be loving this collection. We have 4 curly polishes in this collection, and they are Classic MILKTEA, Taro MILKTEA, Yakult MILKTEA, and Matcha MILKTEA. Now let's start swatching. By the way, I also received Paint Polish's tinted base coat. So I'm applying tinted base coat after applying a peel-off nail mask. Now let's first swatch Classic MILKTEA. Then I'm using a dotting tool to place a few more glitters onto my nails. Then I'm applying a second coat. Classic MILKTEA looks so vibrant like mango yellow on camera, but in reality, Classic MILKTEA is a mustard caramel curly with black, white, and yellow various sized glitters. Second shade from the MILKTEA collection is Taro MILKTEA. Now I'm picking up the glitters on the brush with a dotting tool. Then for Taro MILKTEA's second coat. Taro MILKTEA is a purple curly with black, white, and yellow various sized glitters. Now let's move on to the third shade, which is Yakult MILKTEA. Then let's place more glitters. Now for the second coat. Yakult Milk Tea is a milky off-white with a hint of yellow curly with black, white, and yellow various sized glitters. And lastly we have is Matcha Milk Tea. Then I'm applying more glitters. And now for its second coat. Matcha Milk Tea is a green curly with black, white, and yellow various sized glitters. This collection features some of your favorite milk tea flavors. All of them has a curly finish. It dries fast. The nail polish brush is long, which makes it easier to apply nail polish. These nail polishes are not streaky. Paint polish is 5-free, cruelty-free, pregnant, and kid-friendly. One bottle contains 15 ml of nail polish. These nail polishes comes with a swatch ring of each shade. Did you know that the black glitters signifies pearls, flesh or yellow glitters are pudding, and white glitters signify taro? Well, that's a fun fact for this collection. You can get this collection on Paint Polish Official's Shopee. Link will be available on the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. To know more about Paint Polish, visit their Facebook and Instagram pages. I want to thank Paint Polish for sending me their milk tea collection. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!